This is the John Deere crawler tractor service manual or repair manual for the JD450B. And this is going to be in English, and it's the manual TM1033. And this is the full manual. As you can see, it is 332 pages. You have the general section here. Includes transmission, hydraulic fluid, engine. This is the engine section. And all this manual is printable, so you can print it if you want to. So you go up here, and then you can print it if you need a paper manual. But here's the fuel system section, and this goes through all the fuel systems for the engine. Some diagnostics procedures, fuel tank transfer pump, fuel transfer pump, and it gives you a breakdown of the fuel transfer pump. Electrical system, wiring diagrams are going to be 5.3. It shows you how to do the connectors. Here's the wiring diagrams. The crawler TM1033, electrical schematic, description of electrical schematic, what the signals mean. This one, electrical schematic, description, what either wire color or number means. Charging system gives you a little bit of schematic right here, just a breakdown of the charging system. The powertrain, a section on the powertrain, steering and brakes. And again, you can download this instantly right now today and get full access to this manual. Again, it's 332 pages. This is the hydraulic system. Gives you a whole schematic of the hydraulic system. All right, download the manual now for $7. You'll never get this price anywhere on the internet.